a month. So open-ended word in a closed situation. I wonder a summer month. Which month should be summer?
J.
J, okay.
B.
U, good. L and
Y.
Y. See, so now, so what is happening is, slowly as I'm talking to her, as she's spelling is a left brain activity, and that is where we have the Vonica and the Broca area. That's getting exercise. So you are going to get more right words. That's where that spelling exercise is important to get the right language out. So, July. J-U-L-Y, July. So, but then I'm not going to probe too much. Then it's going to put a lot of pressure on her. And then I'm going to move on. So let's do some numbers. Because using RPM we can do some numbers. Just to change the topic. Okay. Now look. When we say plus, we are counting forward. When we say minus, we are counting backward. Okay, that's how we are going to do. So suppose I say 2 plus 2, you're counting two numbers forward. 2, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 2. 4. Okay, now, ooh, it's hot over here. Let's do 2 minus 2. 2, 2 minus 1, 2 minus 2.
2.
0, yeah, see? So let's practice more. See, so so what is happening is I'm explaining to her. We're counting forward and giving her this visual prompt. See, now what is letterboard or stencil? This is nothing but the visual prompt. Okay, so because without prompt nothing is going to happen if I didn't have the letterboard or anything like that. So all the choices, these are all visual prompts. Okay, so let's do 7 plus 2 and 7 minus 2. So plus, we are counting forward, minus, we are counting backward. 7 plus 1, 7 plus 2.
2.
What's that?
6.
What's that?
9.
9, there. 9. And 7 minus 2, we are counting two numbers backward. Over there. What's that?
5.
5. Okay, now, let's do 3 plus 3 and 3 minus 3. Okay. In plus, we count forward. 3, 3 plus 1, 3 plus 2, 3 plus 3.
6.
6, okay? And then we have 3 minus 3. We count 3 numbers backward. What's that?
0.
0, yes. Let's do a little harder one, okay? Let's do 4 plus 4. We're counting 4 numbers forward with plus on that.
8.
8, yes. So now what would happen if I just ask 4 plus 4? Nothing would happen. She would say any random number. And because she has echolalia, she's going to repeat the last one.
Right.
And people would think that she didn't understand. So that's where you have to have a visual prompt.
Okay.
Now we are going to do 4 minus 3. 4, 4 minus 1, 4 minus 2, 4 minus 3.
3.
Yeah, that's 3. See? 2.
2. 1.
Okay.
0.
See? So what happened is she got distracted. So now I'll redo it again.
Okay.
Okay. So now in 4 minus 3 is 3 numbers backward over there.
1.
See? When she didn't get distracted. So that's how you know that when children make a mistake, it maybe they got distracted. See? So we have to give them a second chance like that, okay? Now, from here what we'll do is, we'll do reasoning skills. Because when I'm teaching her, how old is she? 12. So when I'm teaching a 12-year, 9-year and older, adding and subtracting, I usually do it in a more philosophic way.
Okay.
Like, not like what I'll do with a little child. So immediately we'll go to the reasoning. So if 2 plus 2 is 4, then 12 plus 2 should be how much? So you can't have manipulatives over here, so here she has to reason and figure it out.
Okay.
So if 2 plus 2 is 4, 12 plus 2 is
1.
1 and 414. See, that's how you do it. But then I'll tell her from where to get the reasoning.
Right.
Okay. Now, let's do 5 plus 4. 5. We're not counting 5. 5 plus 1, 5 plus 2, 5 plus 3, 5 plus 4.
6,
What's that mean?
9,
Then put that 9. If 5 plus 4 is 9, then let's see, 65 plus 4 should be how much? Hold that, on that. 60 and what's that? 9, 69. 69. Okay, now let's see. 7 plus 1. 7 plus 1, 7 plus 1. 7 and 7 plus 1?
8,
8. If 7 plus 1 is 8, then 27 plus 1 should be how much? On that.
12,
20 and
18.
8, yes. See? So that's where you are immediately jumping to the reasoning. Because when you're teaching adding and subtracting here, for an older person, you're teaching in a more holistic way than the counting way that
Right.
you'll teach a 5-year-old.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So, that, now, when do we do adding? Suppose someone says, you got, okay, now it's for your birthday, or not birthday, suppose for like you really worked hard, you cleaned up, helped clean up the table and other things. So at the end of the month you want $10 or you want $5? 1 and 0, 10. See, so she said 5,
Yeah.
but she chose 10
Yeah.
because 10 is more. So you got $10. Okay, now you bought a packet of chips for $3. So how much is left? What would you do? Would you do 10 plus 3 or would you do 10 minus 3?
3.
You what? Yes, you're going to take 10 minus 3 because you are using that $3. So now what we do is, we're going to do 10 minus 3, okay? Let's check that out. Now 10, you have to imagine 10 somewhere over here.
6,
10 minus 1, 10 minus 2, 10 minus 3 on that. 7, yes. So what is happening is I'm pushing her boundaries over here. But then I'm starting it slow, but pushing her boundaries that way. But I'm not, but then I'm not asking what is 10 minus 3. That would freak her out. Okay, so see the language and all those things that I'm doing. More you keep a student in the language part, it's going to be less of her, the anxiety would go. Otherwise her head is going to have language. Okay, so, ooh, let me see, I'm going to put this up over here, huh? You worked so hard. Now you tell me, so far, was it E for easy or H for hard over there?
H,
H for hard, E for easy,
D, B,
A, good,
S,
S and
Y.
Y, easy, yeah, it was easy, right? Yes, it was easy. Now, so now we have 1 minute left. Now, in 1 minute, what did we talk about first? Did we talk about the sun? Or did we talk about a tree?
3,
Hold that. We talked about the sun, right? We talked about the sun first. And then we talked about why the sun is cold or why the sun is hot. Sure? Hold that. Yes, that's what we talked about, why the sun is hot. So which word did we say light and heat is? Is it E for energy or is it S for shape over there?
S,
S for sheep.
E.
See, now you have to decide one. Hot and tight are the energy words or shape words? Hold that. Then energy words that way. Okay, now we are done. You do- So when you're doing it, always plan what you're going to do,
Okay.
and don't go with very big